Let's talk about the custom placeholders. We needed a way to allow contract makers to determine their own custom data fields while still keeping the framework flexible and fast. One option we know you are going to love is the custom draft image placeholders. This feature will allow you to embed images into your contracts, and we have 6 of these placeholders, 3 small and 3 large. All images are resized to fit better on the contracts. To get them to work, all you need to do is insert one of these 6 placeholders into a template. The next time you use a contract with this placeholder, a new image prompt will appear below your client selection and date. You can either take a picture of something on the spot if you use an iPhone, or you can import it from your device photo library. Custom text placeholders are perfect for those parts of the contract that require an unknown variable, such as the name of a company, a driver's license number, or temporary contact information. It essentially allows you to hold a space open in the contract that you determine, and then you type it in when you're making your forms. Let me show you an example. Let's say I was a used car dealer and needed a place to enter a driver's license number, and I will use my first custom placeholder for this feature. What I do is I open my template and I insert the custom.text1 placeholder into the contract at the place where the information needs to appear. I then go to my settings and enter the name of that custom placeholder under field 1, in this case, driver's license number. When I'm ready to make my new contract, the name of the field will be identified. You select it and then enter the data you like. We've installed 10 custom text placeholders for you to use in any way you determine. Custom text rollers are perfect for variables that are known in advance but only have one selection, such as the day of the week a service may occur or the name of a technician who may be doing the work. If you know the data variables and they constantly change, it will still allow you to use one template with several different types of information, instead of needing a new template every time something changes or having to edit every single draft. Again, insert your placeholder into the desired position of the contract. Go into settings and configure your roller by giving it a name and then entering the different variables. In this case, let's say pool service may occur on 5 days of the week for a pool cleaning company. When we're ready to fill out the contract, these pre-entered data will be available on the rollers, and it saves you time from typing. It's very fast and very clean. We've installed 5 custom rollers for you on Contract Maker Pro. Custom text box placeholders. These are perfect for data that can have more than one entry. Let's say options for a professional detailing service. They are set up very similar to rollers by inserting your custom checklist placeholder into the contract and then configuring in settings. The next time you're filling out the contract, simply check which options you want to be inserted into the form, and the app will automatically embed them where you determined with the placeholder. It's important to note you can determine whether these items will appear as bulleted items, numbered items, or words in a sentence separated by commas. The Auto Increment Custom Placeholder allows you to insert an automatic counting number into your contracts. It will only count those contracts that have this placeholder. The current or starting number can be used in settings, and this is great for invoice or contract numbers. Let's talk about some of the special features in Contract Maker Pro. We have multiple page document support. Contract Maker Pro is capable of generating contracts and forms several pages in length. You are really only limited by the amount of file size for the overall form. I have personally tested many contracts 4 to 5 pages in length without a problem. If you're using mostly text, you can conceivably do many more. You're really only limited by the file size of the contract itself. The equal button. This allows you to use a previously saved contract as a new contract starting point. It remembers all of the previously entered information and then allows you to change a date, a client, or any other information you need. Say for example, I'm doing a new shoot using the same contract with the same model, only it's on a different day. I would just change the date and ask her to re-sign. It creates a brand new contract. Export to JPEG button allows you to create a JPEG image of your contract, which you can then access from your device's photo collection. Now, JPEGs aren't really great for print, but for now, it's an additional way to back up copies of your contract. Another great feature we have is the Shake to Clear signature. If you or your client don't like your signature and want to try again, simply gently shake your iPhone or Apple device and it will clear the signature. Font selection and date format give you more customization options. Did you know about the Contract Maker Forum? That's right, we have a great little community of app users and love to hear their feedback. If you're having an issue with your Contract Maker, this is a great place to make an inquiry, and we also really want to know what we can do to improve the app in future updates. You can access the Contract Maker Forum by clicking the link in the settings or on iPhonecontractmaker.com. Stand by for more great videos and updates for Contract Maker Pro.